Hari Om. Sarve Janah Sukhino Bhavantu. So I am continuing part 8, Vishnu Sahasranamam, English, word by word meaning. So let us see the verse. Shantagaram Bhujagashayanam Patmanabham Shuresham Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrisham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogir Hridyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhava Bhaya Haram Sarvalokaikanatham Meghasyamam Bhidagau Shreyavasam Srivatsangam Kaustubhot Bhashidangam Punyopedam Pundarigayadaksham Vishnum Vande Sarvalokaikanadam Sashanga Chakram Sakirita Kundalam Sapita Vastram Sarasiruhekshanam Sahara Vastras Thalashobi Kaustubam Namami Vishnum Shirasa Chadurbujam Chayayam Parijadasya Hema Simhasanopari Asina Mambudashyamam Ayudakshamalangridam Chandrananam Chadurbahum Srivatsangidavakshasam Rukmani Satya Bhamabhyam Sahidam Krishnamashraye. So let us see this verse. Shanta Karam. Shanta Karakaha. Karam is a PPP, what they say is indefinite, it's an infinite word. It's a separate word by itself. Karakaha, you can say, one who does the Karakaha, Karika and all. But Karam is a separate word by itself, without a conjugation, I could say. So one who gives, one who is generous in giving Shanti, peace, highest form of peace. Shanta, Shantihi, one who gives Shanti is the Karakaha. Shanta generosity. Shanta Karam, highest level of generosity, Shanti, peace, is a Karakaha. Shanta Karam Bhujaga Shayanam. Bhujaga is serpent only. There some books they would have said with folded hands, that is Bhujam. That translation I don't accept. Bhujaga is a serpent, Vyalaha. Bhujaga Shayanam. Swami Mahavishnu lies on the Adisheshan, serpent. Bhujaga Shayanam Patma Nabham Suresham. Patma Nabhan, Nabhi from whom Patmam is coming, lotus flower, Patmam is coming from his Nabhi. From whom Patmam is coming, he is called Patma Nabham. Suresham, Suranam Ishaha. Sura A plus E becomes Suresham. So he is the Lord for the Deva. Suresham. Patmanabham Suresham. Vishwadharam. One who, Dhri is the Dhatu, one who wears. The wearer of the Vishwa, of the universe. Vishwadharam is a very simple word. Dhri is the Dhatu, wearing. Aham dharami. Aham dharayami, I told you earlier, making you to wear. So Vishwa, he wears the entire universe, Vishwadharam. He who wears the entire universe, Gagana Sadrisham. Gaganam, Gaganakaram, Sagaram, Sagaropamaha. Kalidasa writes, no, Gaganam means sky, the Asman, the entire heavens, you can say. Sky is a correct word. So, Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrisham. Drisham, it comes from the Dhatu Drish, to see. Drisham means Dvitiya Vibhakti. Drish Dhatu, if you conjugate Ekavachanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Drisham, him, the scene. So, Gagana Sadrisham. Normally, if you take in a sentence, Sadrisham means seen like a Gagana. Same like a Gagana. Madrisham, Bhavadrisham means like you, like me, like him, like the Gagana, So Gagana Sadrisham, like the Gagana, like the sky, Sadrisham. Sa is that. He. Saha is exempted here. Sadrisham. Gagana Sadrisham. So Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrisham. Meghavarnam Shubha Angam. Meghavarnam. Blue sky only. Swami's Varna means rang, color. So of the Swami is Megha means not grey but blue. We can take blue. Swami is blue. Mahavishnu is blue. Shubha Angam. All his Anga are only Shubham only. Mangalam only. Purity only. It leads to purity. The darshanam of his Angam leads to purity. Shubha Angams for Swami. So Shantagaram Bhujaga Shayanam Patmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrisham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmi Kantam Kamala Nayanam Yogi Hridyana Gamyam. Lakshmi Kantam. Kantam means attraction. Man who him who attracts Lakshmi, wealth, Shri. That's Artha. Lakshmi Kantam Kamala Nayanam. Eyes. Nayana here means eyes. Nayana Nayakaha and all leading and all will come, but Nayana here means Kamala Nayanam. Swamiji who has a leading eyes of Kamala, of lotus. Kamala means lotus. Kamala Nayanam. So Lakshmi Kantam Kamala Nayanam Yogir Hridyana Gamyam. Gamya means Gam Dhatu means to go. So yogi, a person who does the yogi, a yogi, in his Hridaya, Swami enters. You can also say you can find yogi be dhyana gamyam. So when the yogi, by the dhyanas, by the yogi be, by the yogis, dhyana when they do, Swamiji, Mahavishnu, gamyam entering the dhyana, entering the heart, both you can say. Gamyam, gam is the dhatu to go. Aham gacchami comes from gam dhatu. So, these are all, then you have the Pratipadika, Skrit Pratyaya, Pratipakya, Supratyaya, Subhangam or Tigandam and all this grammar there. So, Gamyam, yogi Hridya Gamyam or yogi bihi dhyana Gamyam. So, Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayanam yogi Hridyana Gamyam Vande Vishnum Bhava Bhaya Haram Sarvalokaikanaatham. Vande Vishnum, Aham Vande. I told you Vande is a Atmane Padi for worshipping. Vande is a Uttama Purushaha, first person. Aham Vande, Tvam Vandase, Saha Vandate. Prathama Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha, Tvam Vandase. So Vande, Aham Vande, Aham is not there. Vande Vishnum. Vishnu means Dvitiya Vibhakti, him the Vishnu. I am worshipping Vishnu, him. So Vande Vishnum Bhava Bhaya Haram. See the Bhava, the Bhaya which is there, the Bhavati is existing. Him who destroys the Bhaya. Bhava Bhaya Haram. The ending comes. The Swami, him who destroys the existing Bhaya. Bhavami Bhudatu. Bhaya is fear. So Bhava Bhaya Haram. Haranam. Samharam like that. Bhava Bhaya Haram. Sarva Loka Eka Natham. So Sarva Loka plus Eka becomes Sarva Lokaika. Laika will come, the Kai will come there, the I will come. But you have to understand, you have to split the Sanskrit word. Sarva Loka, Lokasya if you want to take, Eka Natha. One God for the entire universe. Very clear. Sarva Lokaika Natham. Meghashyamam Pitagausheyavasam Srivatsangam Kaustubhot Bhashitangam Meghashyamam. Megha Shyamam. The color of the Megha is grey. Shyama, you can say Shyamaha is a grey color of the clouds. Meghashyamam Pita means yellow. Mekashyamam Pita Kausheya Vasam. Kausheyam means what? Silk cloth. Abharanam, Vastram, silk. Kausheya Vasam, one who is there, one who is Vasati, one who lives in their silk cloth, means one who likes silk cloth, or one who always wears a yellow silk cloth. Pita means yellow. So Meghashyamam Pita Kausheya Vasam Srivatsangam Kaustubot Bhasita Angam. Bhasita Angam means what? Shining. Angam means Swami's parts, arms and all, with amulets. What they call that kanganas and amulets or something, they call the abharanas on all the arms, angas of Bhagavan. So Meghashyamam Pita Kausheya Vasam Srivatsangam Srivatsa Angam. Srivatsangam Srivatsangam Kaustubot Bhasita Angam. Kaustubham means pearl. Kaustubha Mani, everybody knows pearl. Kaustubham. Bhasita, shining. Bhasita, adjective. Bhasita Angam. So the shining pearl in the anga of the Swami. Bhasita, which shines, glitters like a Surya, glittering. So Srivatsangam, Srivatsan Swami is called because in his Vakshasthalam, in his Angam there is a sign of Vakshasthalam, they say, in between the heart, the center of the heart, Vakshasthalam. There is a story, small story, when Birgu Munivar goes there, so Mahavishnu does not entertain him, he gets angry and he stamps at the chest of the Lord, then Lord catches his feet and then slowly, gently strokes it as if in apology, or that's a soothing effect on the feet of, that impression of the feet of the Bhrigu Munivar on the chest of the Lord, or there is a triangle as if it's a growing one, or if the Bhagavan Krishna Paramatma had some curly hairs in the chest. All these things have an impact. The Vakshasthalam, they say. This is a central point. Srivatsa, the sign is called Srivatsam. Srivatsang Angam, in that anga, in the portion. Srivatsangam Kaustubot Bhasita Angam. In that place, in this all those angas, Kaustubam is there, which is shining. Punyopedam Pundarikayadaksham. Punyopedam, Punyaha Upetam. Upetam means possessing. Punya. Punyo will become. How? Punya plus Upetam, A plus U becomes O. That's why it is Punyopetam. Upetam plus Punya. Upetam means possessing, having, holding. Him who holds that, Upeta, Upetam. Punyo, only Punya. He is a possessor of Punyas only. Punyopedam Pundarika means lotus. Ayata Aksham. Ayata means, in geometry also, in Bhaskaracharya's mathematics and all, in Sanskrit you will see Ayata means it is the base of a triangle also you can say as a Ayata. But it is an elongated oblong eyes. Aksha means eyes. Akshi, I told you, Meenakshi, eyes of fish. Visalakshi, broad, Visalakshi. So, Aksham, him who is having the Aksha of a elongated, beautiful, nicely spaced between eyes. Ayata Aksham. Ayata means elongated, oblong, lovely eyes. Oblong. Mathematically it's oblong. Ayata Akshaha means eyes. Him who has that Akshaha is called Aksham. Him. Ham Gramam Gachami, I told you, I go to Gramam. To him only we go. Aksham, who is having the oblong, elongated, beautiful Pundarika eyes. Pundarika is lotus. Meghashamam Bhida Kausheyavasam Srivatsangam Kaustubod Bhasida Angam Punyopetam Pundarika Ayadacham Vishnum Vande Sarva Lokaikanatham. We have seen Vishnum Vande, Aham Vande is the Arthaha Uttama Purushaha Atmane Padinah. Atmane Padi. Aham Vande or Aham Namami is Parasmai Padi. Namami. Both are same meaning. Vishnum Vande, him Vishnu. Vishnum, I told you, Vishnum. Ukarantaha Guru Guravaha, Guru Guru Guravaha, Gurum Guru Guru Gurum, Vishnum to him. Vishnum Vande, I am doing Vandana. Vishnum Vande Use sarva lokaikanatham, sarva lokasya ekanathan eva. Sa changu chakram, sa kirita kundalam, sa pita vastram, sarasiru ekshanam. Sa changu chakram, that changu chakram, sa kirita kundalam, kiritam and kundalam. Sa pita vastram, yellow vastram. Sarasi ruha ikshanam. You have to split it like that. Sarasi means from the water. Sarasijam we say. That means growing out of the water, but Sarasi is from the water pond. Sarasi. Ruh means growing. Ikshanam means the sight. Ikshana. That's why you get A plus E becomes A. I told you. Sarasi ruhekshanam. Ruhekshanam, it will be in the text. Sarasi ruhekshanam. Ikshana means sight, view, eyesight. So that's what they are seeing. From the pond, the water lilies are ruham, arohati, aropanam. They are seeing. Arohanam, avarohanam, arohanam. All these things are same. Ruha means growing. Ruh is the dhatu. Sarasiru ikshanam, sarasiru hekshanam. Sahara vastra sthala shobhita kaustubham. Sahara, that sa means that, he. It indicates that hara, sahara vakshasthala, in the same vakshasthala. Sahara vakshasthala shobhita kaustubham. Shobhita means again glittering, kaustubham. So his hara is made up of kaustubam, pearls, which is glittering. Sahara vakshasthalam, in that vakshasthalam where he is wearing the hara, mala. Sahara vakshasthala shobhita kaustubham. The kaustubam pearls is shining, shobhanam, shobhita kaustubam. The kaustubam which is shining. Shobhita is adjective here. Shobhita kaustubham. The shining kaustubham, shining pearl. Sahara vakshasthala shobhita kaustubham namami vishnum shirasa chadurbhujam. Namami, aham namami. Here it is parasmai pada. Vande is atmane pada, uttama purusha. Namami is uttama purusha. Parasmai pada, parasmai padi. So these are all parasmai padinaha, atmane padinaha and all. We are having groups. That is grammar. Will come later. Namami Vishnum. Shirasa, tritiya vibhakti. Shiras sabda. Shirasa, by my shiras, by my head. Shirasa, I am worshipping by my shiras. I am worshipping whom? Namami Vishnum. The Vishnum, him the Vishnu, who is having chadurbhujam, 4 hands. And aham namami shirasa, Vishnu. Aham Vishnum namami, who is having 4 hands. Aham shirasa chadurbhujam Vishnum namami. 4-handed Vishnu, him I am saluting. Chadurbhujam. Here bhujam means shoulders. Why chadurbhujam? Why not panchabhujam? Why not Shat? Or why not 12 hands? Dwadasha bhujam. It is here where science is involved. Chadur. Einstein's description of the universe. God lives in universe, Einstein says. Einstein says 4 forces. It's the standard model. The electromagnetic force, the gravitational force, the weak nuclear force, the strong nuclear force. The gravity is something which we have in black holes. Stephen Hawking, the famous British scientist, got a Nobel Prize. A handicapped scientist, he found all these event horizons and gravity which sucks. If you go to the black hole, it simply sucks. Electromagnetic force, all your electrical force, all your gamma rays, all those heat energies, all those energy the strong nuclear force which is inside the atom, which keeps the atom bound. And the weak nuclear force, between 2 stars, you have the weak nuclear force, one going like that, one going there, not crashing, but going like that. So these are the 4 forces which Einstein describes us. This is called the standard model in physics, which says this is all the universes. These are all the 4 standard model. That's all. Einstein said, and that's acceptable. That's physics. So that's why our rishis knew something and describing Mahavishnu as the Vishwam, who is having the entire Vishwadharam. who wears the universe, he is having Chadurbhujam, 4 arms, 4 forces. An arm is a force, no? You use your arm for force, no? Fighting, carrying. So Chadurbhujam. Then Chayayam Parijadasya Hemasim Asina Upari. Chayayam, in the shade. Chaya, Saptami Vibhakti, Chayayam. Chaya means shade. Parijadasya, of the Parijada. It's in Tamil they call Pavalamalli. It's a jasmine flower. It's a pearl jasmine flower, like pearl type. Parijadasya Hema Simhasa na Upari. Hema means golden. Simhasanam means lion with a lion-headed throne. You can see Raja Simhasanam. Hema Simhasana Upari, on that. Chayayam Parijadasya Hema Simhasanopari Asina Mambudashyamam Ayudaksham Alangritam. Asina sitting. Asina Ambu means clouds. Shyama Ambuda. Asina Mambuda Shyama. You join it, will be like that. Ambuda Shyama. Shyama means mega. Asina Mambuda Shyamam Ayata Aksha. Ayata Aksha. Again elongated eyes. Alam Kritam. Alang decorated. Being decorated by all this. Beautiful eyes of Bhagavan is there. That is the Hema in the golden Simha throat with the lion heads on the hand resting places. And he is sitting under the Parijada flowers, a tree full of Parijada flowers. Chayayam Parijadasya Hema Simhasanopari. Hema Simhasanam, golden Simhasanam, lion-headed throne, Upari. What are these? Asina Mambudashyamam Ayudaksham Alangradam. So, Chayayam Parijadasya Hema Simhasanopari. Asina, seated there, Asina Ambu, the clouds. All the clouds are there in the throne. Asina Ambu, the Shyama clouds. The Mega, Shyamam, clouds. Ambu means clouds here. A lot of meaning we have for Asinam. Ambuda is clouds. Ambu means even number 4 can be there. There are a lot of words, meaning behind that, but you have to be very careful. Ambuda Shyamam da. Ambuda Shyamam Ayata Aksha Alam Kritam. Adorned by the decorated Alam, Alankar, Alankritam, done. All these decorated with the golden throne, lion-headed throne is decorated with Megashyamam also. Ayudaksham Chandrananam Chadurbahum Srivatsangida Vakshasam. Again here, Chandrananam, Chandrayah, or if you want to take Chandra as a masculine, Chandrasya Ananam, or Chandrayah Ananam, female, Strilingam. Chandrayah Ananam, face of Ananam means face. Gajananam, we say no, Gajasya Ananam, face of an elephant. Anana, him, Ananam, him who is having the face of the Chandra. Chandrananam Chadurbahum, again, standard model, physics. Chadurbahum Srivatsangida Vakshasam. Srivatsam. In his Angas, that Vakshasthala is the Srivatsam. The Vakshasthala. Srivatsa Angam. Swami is having the Srivatsa sign. It can also be a triangle shaped. Some books talk of the triangular shape sign, birth sign on the chest of the center chest of Mahavishnu. Srivatsa, but you have to take like that at Bhrigu Munivar story only. Srivatsa Angida Vakshasam Rukmani Satya Bhama Bhyam. Rukmani and Satya Bhama Tabhyam means Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachan. Tabhyam, Abhyam and Tabhyam will be there. Sa tetah, tam tetah, taya tabhyam. Tabihi. You have that tabhyam. Or Sahataute, Tam Tautan, Tena Tabhyam, even masculine gender. Purushalingam, Strilingam, all Tabhyam. So Rukmani and Satya Bhama, Dvivachanam. Rukmani Satya Bhama Bhyam. That's how it will come in the Samskrita. These two people will be Tabhyam. Sahidam. With I am one day, I am worshipping all these. So Bhagavan is seated on the Hema Simhasanopari with Rukmani and Satyabhama, with all the mega clouds, with all his anga decorated, all his mala, hara and all decorated with Kaustubam. He is having the Pita Kausheya Vastram, he is having silk yellow cloth and all. And he is sitting under the shade of the Parijada tree, full of Parijada flowers. See the atmosphere, clouds floating. So, Sahidam Krishnam Ashraye, Ashraye. Krishnam, Bhagavan Krishna is the protector. Probably Bhishma, Vyasa also was there. Vyasa is also related to, he's a grand nephew, I think, of Krishna Paramatma. Something like a grandson to him. Therefore, all these things remind us of one thing, that Krishna Bhagavan is also being treated here as an avatar of Mahavishnu. Ashraye, under the shelter, under the protection of Krishnam. Him, the Krishna, who is Ashraye, in the protection of adherence, protection, shelter. Ashraye is the artha. So we are all sheltered by Bhagavan Krishna, who is seated magnificently on a Hema Simhasana Upari, with all the clouds floating on him, the shade of the Parijada Malar and all. So with this we end the today's lecture of part 8, Vishnu Sahasranamam. More of it we shall see. Till such time, Bhuyat Tavat Shubha Mangalam Harivu.